Why is steam cleaning the best carpet cleaning option? Steam cleaning is always the best carpet cleaning option. That's because it comes with a number of benefits. What are they? Let's see. They maintain a very high sanitary level. They prevent discoloration. They use hardly any chemicals. They are cost-effective. This is why carpet steam cleaning companies in Melbourne are so popular. As we are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.